If you're looking for a simple way to make your morning smoothie without the hassle of a bulky blender, then I think you'll like my Oster MyBlend Personal Blender review. This compact powerhouse packs 250 watts of blending power into a sleek design that takes up minimal space. You can blend directly into the 20-ounce sports bottle, pop on the lid, and take your smoothie to go, no extra containers needed. The stainless steel blades make quick work of soft fruits and protein powders. A built-in safety feature automatically shuts off the motor if it gets too hot, letting it cool down for 15 minutes before blending again. The BPA-free sports bottle goes right in your dishwasher for easy cleanup. The wide mouth design lets you add ingredients without spills, while the secure lid prevents leaks during transport. One-touch operation keeps things simple. Just press down on the bottle to blend. The compact size fits neatly on your counter or in a cabinet when not in use. Cleanup is hassle-free too, since the bottle is dishwasher safe. The stainless steel blades make quick work of frozen fruit and ice, while the 16-inch cord gives you plenty of reach on your counter. Your new blender comes with recipe ideas in the manual to get you started. The light blue color adds a fresh pop to your kitchen while keeping a small 6.7-inch by 6.9-inch footprint. A safety fuse automatically shuts off the motor if it starts to overheat during intense blending. The motor will reset itself after a 15-minute cooling period, preventing permanent damage and extending the life of your blender. Now for the pros and cons part of my Oster MyBlend review. Starting with the pros, perfect single-serve size with a 20-ounce bottle that doubles as your to-go cup. Quick cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts. Compact design saves valuable counter space. 400 watts of ice-crushing power handles frozen ingredients. Built-in safety feature prevents motor burnout. BPA-free materials keep your drinks healthy. Simple one-touch operation. As for the cons, limited to smaller portions only, struggles with extremely hard ingredients, not ideal for hot liquids. Motor needs cooling breaks during heavy use. Bottle can be tricky to clean if left unwashed. Power cord could be longer for more flexibility. Operating this personal blender won't give you any headaches. You'll love how simple it is. Just attach your bottle, press down, and blend. The 20-ounce sports bottle doubles as your drinking container, saving you from washing extra cups. Cleanup is super simple since the bottle is dishwasher safe. The compact size means you won't need much counter space, and the 16-inch cord gives you flexibility for placement. A handy safety feature protects the motor from overheating. If it gets too hot, the built-in fuse automatically resets after 15 minutes of cooling time. The bottle's BPA-free plastic construction makes it safe for daily use. You can easily take it to work or the gym with its travel-friendly design. Keep in mind that while the 250-watt motor handles regular smoothie ingredients well, it works best with softer fruits and pre-crushed ice. Overall, this personal smoothie blender stands out as a reliable companion for quick, single-serve drinks. You'll appreciate the compact design that saves counter space and the portability of the 20-ounce sport bottle. The 250-watt motor handles basic smoothie ingredients well, though it's not meant for crushing ice or super tough items. The Blend and Go system makes morning routines easier. Just blend, swap the blade for the travel lid, and you're set. Cleanup takes seconds since there's only one container to wash. The durable construction has proven itself with many users reporting years of consistent use. Perfect for gym goers and busy professionals who want simple smoothies without the hassle of a full-size blender. At this price point, you get solid value for basic blending needs and convenient portability. And with that said, I really hope that my Oster MyBlend Personal Blender review answered any questions you had about this useful little blender.